Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. Today we're going to do a celestial inspired set. We've popped our inspo on the screen. First of all, we're going in with the colour Cyanide and just laying that down. Curing for 60 seconds before going in with the second coat. And now I'm going to go in with top coat. And now we're going to buff over the top coat. This is going to act as a barrier in between our green colour and the chrome that we're about to lay over the top. Now I'm taking our Clear as Day Builder Gel and we're going to be creating a raised 3D effect with this. So I'm just going all the way around the nail with this, creating a border. Then adding some more squiggles. These don't have to be perfect, it's just to give a little bit of texture. Now I'm taking Serious Black and just going over anywhere we put that clear builder. Personally, I find Serious Black the best to apply a gold or silver chrome to. Now taking our holographic chrome pigment powder in gold. And just buffing this into everywhere we put the Serious Black. Now I'm going to be finishing off this nail with some top coat. And on our next nail, I'm just repeating the first steps, laying down Cyanide. And going in with our top coat. Giving it a buff over. Personally, the way I like to do isolated chrome is by laying down your base, then adding over your top coat, curing for 60 seconds and then giving it a buff over. This just makes sure that when you draw your design, your chrome powder sticks to your design and your design only. Because the top coat's buff, the chrome powder's got nothing to stick to. I'm just drawing a French tip in Serious Black. Curing that for 60 seconds so we don't smudge it while painting our next design. I'm just going in with the dotting tool and just randomly placing some little dots around the nail. We're going to then drag 4 corners out on these and turn them into stars. cure that for 60 seconds and then buff over the whole design with our gold chrome powder. Now I'm going to go in with a dusting brush, just wiping any of that excess chrome away before top coating. Now for the next nail, after repeating the same steps of cyanide and top coat and buffing, I'm going in with a really small detail nail art brush, and I'm creating some curved lines starting from the middle and making my way out. Just making them slightly wrap around each other, and then this is going to make our rose flower effect. Once you're happy with how it looks, pop it in the lamp, ready for chrome and top coat. Now for this nail, I've gone in with a French tip and a dot in the centre, and I'm going to be dragging these lines out. A bit like what we've done before on the other nail, but it's going to be a lot bigger this time and right in the centre. And now for the last nail, once you've repeated the same steps for the base of your nail, I'm going in with Serious Black and I'm painting like a sun design. Now I'm going in with a dot of Cyanide right in the centre. Popping it in the lamp and then going in with Clear as Day Builder. And we're going to use this to create a raised effect over the nail. And finally going in with Top Coat. And this is the finished result. Don't forget, if you want any of our products, they'll be linked in the description with an easy ordering link. We hope you enjoyed. Bye!